nilele iyasha iSouth Africa, iyasha iSouth Africa bafowethu. Uyabona namhlanje uNkabinde uphethe uthi likaMentshisi uphethe upetrol. Uthi likaMentshisi upetrol, hayi wavesane wavuvuzela. Wawuvuvuzela wavesane walayitha yasha iSouth Africa. Hhayi yasha bafowethu iSouth Africa, and lento lena eyaqalwa uMkhwanazi bafowethu, hhayi namhlanje ivesane yaba kwelinye izinga bafowethu. Okay, ake ngehlise umoya because ngithe uma ngibuka uNkabinde ngimlalele, and I was looking at somebody engimbheke as somebody orepentayo ukuthi okay, now I'm going back to my senses. I know what I've done before was wrong, and izinto indlela engenze ngayo izinto was wrong. Remember ukuthi uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi confirmed ukuthi bebesebenzisana noSibiya, and I mean noNkabinde, and uyasho ukuthi something went wrong ngoNkabinde because bebezwana, and namhlanje uNkabinde confirmed ukuthi mina kahle kahle I was fighting with uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi. We were fighting i-corruption, and i-corruption siyibonile ke in i-corruption namhlanje ukuthi what is corruption, because not is a state capture. Sorry, they were fighting state capture, and confirmed ukuthi state capture imasikhona manje. Le nto leyo ababesidayisela yona kuthiwa state capture, it was just a cover ukuthi state capture sangempela singabonakali, so that state capture sizothi siqhubeka thina sidayisela lezi zinto lezi esasidayisela zona siyibone njenge-state capture. So state capture into ekhona njengamanje eyenzakalayo njengamanje, but-ke thina-ke kade sayibona lento lena. Siyabonga ukuthi kusukume abantu abafana nabo oNkabinde ukuthi bayiveze even nakulaba bantu laba ababengayiboni ngalendlela akade eyenzeka ngayo. I'm sorry ukusho ukuthi there are so many people that are implicated, and even ama-political parties athile engeke ngize ngiwabale uma ubheka indlela kade ebeka ngayo uNkabinde. Guys, konakele eMzansi, hayi konakele bafethu eMzansi, but let us pray for uNkabinde bafethu nefamily yakhe, because ulwele iSouth Africa ngempilo yakhe. Uma ubheka laphana ubezinikela yena ubezinikela njengomhlatshelo. Same thing yenziwa uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Namhlanje sibone uNkabinde, sabona elinye iside likaNkabinde la abenikele khona ukuthi no, I'm fighting for ama-South Africans njengamanje. Let me speak, let me tell what I know. Uyayibona lento le. Guys, let us pray for that guy, let us pray for his family. Abantu abanjeyana abazositakula, because sisenkingeni enkulu bafowethu, sisenkingeni enkulu. I hope even kwamanye ama-political parties kuzoba nzima ukuthi bangene deep bambuze ezinye izinto, because the more umbuza the more I think to other parties, the more bembuza the more kudayiseka ama-parties abo, izinto involve kuyona ngendlela izinto akade zenzeka ngakhona background. Kusetshenziswa ezokuvikela. Uma kunokunye nje akuvezile le ndaba lena kaSibiya. uSibiya usebenze namaphoyisa engekho emaphoyiseni, and ubehlala kuma-meetings. They were plotting ama-meetings namaphoyisa engekho emaphoyiseni. Paul Sullivan, hhayi-ke lowo angifuni ukukhuluma kakhulu because uphethe yonke into, i-media, and ukubeka etafuleni konke njengoba kunjalo namhlanje uNkabinde ukuthi they were plotting. Yes, they were plotting. Kwiplot yabo kwakuwukuthi baremove ubani, baremove uPhahlane, because uPaul Sullivan ubefuna ukwenzani ukuthi afake uMcBride uPhahlane engakwazi ukuthi abe u-national commissioner. So kuningi guys, kuningi. Lo muntu lona, like, just imagine umuntu othatha imedia, because imedia iyona abasebenza ngayo to destroy abantu baseNingizimu Afrika. Bathatha imedia bahlale nayo phansi, eze nayo kwima-meetings to plot ukuthi ubani sifuna ukuthi simshaye phansi. So basebenzisa imedia, basebenzisa amaphoyisa, yonke lento lena. Guys, iSouth Africa, ake ngithule sibukele.